God's Power Explosion Conference. Dates 25th to 27th June 2025. Host Reverend Elijah Mwaniki and guest speaker
Apostle William Macharia.
Tunafanyaga ahadi na madhabahu. Unaambia Mungu, as you bless me, I won't forget your house.
Come for your healing, miracle, deliverance, and power impartation. James 5:13-16. Is anyone among you in trouble? Let them pray. Is anyone happy? Let them sing songs of praise. Is anyone among you sick? Let them call the elders of the church to pray over them and anoint them with oil in the name of the Lord. And the prayer offered in faith will make the sick person well. The Lord will raise them up. If they have sinned, they will be forgiven. Therefore, confess your sins to each other and pray for each other so that you may be healed. The prayer of a righteous person is powerful and effective.